Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to unfollow people who don't follow you on Instagram, right? So open your Instagram, just go to the home page, and if you find somebody that person you are following but they are not following you right back, so how you can unfollow them, right? So there's no special feature given by the Instagram that you will come to know, but I'm going to give you the solution. That's why I made this video, right? So just go to the Play Store and make sure one more thing that you're using the updated version. In the place of open, if you see a option of update, just update it right now. And this is a Play Store. On the search bar you have to type unfollow, right? Unfollowers, unfollow, you can type anything, and these are the third-party application. To choose this one and make sure that here you have to log in into this app by using your Instagram ID, and after that it will show that the person who is not following you back, your recent followers, the ghost followers. This means that some person is liking your post but they are not following you, and then many more features, right? So this is it guys. I hope you found this video really useful, and if you did, like this video right now, subscribe our channel, and see you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.